Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today I'm eager and excited to introduce you to the newest member of the Apex Surface Protection product line. Now we already know we have bead and sheet, which will top and protect a coating as it cures for the first month or two. We'll also give you a quick boost of gloss and slickness, but we now have something a bit more long-term to offer you to protect your vehicle, car, truck, or motorcycle, RV, or boat. This is Apex Surface Protection Protekt. This is a sealant that will last for 6 months, 9 months, a year, depending on your environment. I want to show you application, the results. Let's head right out into the shop and take a closer look. Protekt has our special blend of silane and siloxane polymers. It'll give it the entry-level coating-like feel and protection and gloss and slickness. The product leaves the paint silky smooth. It's hydrophobic. This does bead. It's designed for ease of use. So you can apply it absolutely any way you like. Dry with a dry microfiber towel. Damp with a damp microfiber. Wet while the car is still wet, right after a fresh wash. It can be applied to absolutely all surfaces, including glass on the outside of your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or RV. A little bit truly does go a long way, just like all of our other products, and it'll let you know if you're using too much. And if you find that you are, just grab a damp microfiber, go over the area, it will reactivate it, and you can wipe it free. The product is also chemical resistant. pH resistance between 5 and 12. Again, you can use it on all surfaces. 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. It really kind of depends on how much you use the vehicle, the environment that you're in. It's subjective. The reflective shine is crisp. It gives a nice crisp deep gloss to your vehicles. Those cars that have colors that are kind of difficult to give it that extra pop, like champagnes, just like this car here, the golds, the silvers, the whites. Something like this will help you get over the top. The first person view here will give you an idea of how quick and easy it will be to apply and how fast you can get around your car. You will feel the surface become silky smooth and give it 2 hours minimum for cure time, and that's it. Then return back to normal activities. As I mentioned before, can be applied to all surfaces, as I will show you here. Trim, black piano finish trim to chrome, stainless steel, headlights, taillights, glass, plastic, rubber, wheels, everything on the exterior of your vehicles. Don't forget your wheels, calipers, door jambs, anywhere where there's paint or hard surfaces. Can even be used on hard surfaces on the interior, such as black piano finish trim or any trim on the interior. When you're finished, again, this is a color that's a little difficult to make it pop, and this gets the job done. Over to the test panel. Unlike Rehydra bead, Rehydra sheet that were made and formulated to guard a coating as it cures, this is excellent as a standalone. You need to prepare for a standalone, and that's a wash, decon, full decon, iron remover, clay, all that jazz, and at least a cleaner polish. Let's get the product applied quickly, and we'll let it cure. 2 hours minimum. It's a couple hours till I can get back to it, but immediately you will feel the slickness in the protected area compared to any unprotected painted surface. The block, as I try to set it up, will not even sit still, and on the slightest angle, it will just take off on you. I wasn't satisfied until we get some extreme gloss out of the product, so you can see the difference between the unprotected and the protected area. A jump in 3 or 4 gloss units can easily be picked up with the human eye, and this is well above that. Let's drag the panel outside. We'll remove the tape. I could show you the jetting effect. That's slight. I wasn't really concentrated on that. Trying to give more of the characteristics in hydrophobic properties, gloss, slickness, and durability. This is the water behavior. This one beads quite well, as you can see. Chemical resistant up and down the pH scale. As you can see, it immediately is not getting along with the shampoo. All right, let's buzz through the 10 wash test. I'm not going to go crazy here. I'll give you just a quick taste because I want to reserve some of the testing in case you want me to put it up against something you're already comfortable with and already have knowledge of. I have no problem with that. Just mention it down in the comment section and I can make it happen. It will take quite a few washes to put a dent in the protection that this will lay down, but I'm going to dry it off and grab just some of the chemicals I have within arm's reach, throw it at it real quick, and you'll get an idea of what we're working with. All right, I grabbed just a standard APC. This is from Gian here. We'll heavily layer it onto the protected area. I'll bring you in close. You can see it just immediately starts to bead the cleaner. I already know what it can do, so I'm just going to swing for the fences early. Let's grab Citral 266 for a few rounds. We will douse the area. I'll bring you in close. Again, it likes to bead the citral. And after the torture so far, it still is not getting along with the shampoo. So we'll halt the testing right here, and if you want me to put it up against something, just name it down in the comment section. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions at all on Protekt, I will have a link down in the description box. I'll have more videos showing different ways to apply it. You can apply it wet, dry microfibers, damp microfibers. It doesn't matter, whatever is easier for you. It's easy to use, will give you durability, slickness, and high gloss. Have fun. I need to reiterate, if you already have a sealant, use it up. This is an option when you're finished, or an option if you want something with a bit more durability and gloss. But don't hoard products like I do and fill up the shelves with endless lines of products from product companies and product lines. Pick one and stick to it. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.